In today's health-conscious society, people are constantly seeking better ways to enhance their nutrition and overall well-being. Among the many innovations emerging in the field of dietary supplements, one technology stands out for its remarkable ability to improve nutrient delivery: food liposomal supplements. These advanced formulations use tiny cell-like structures known as liposomes to encapsulate nutrients, protecting them and greatly enhancing their absorption in the body. Liposomes are microscopic vesicles composed of phospholipids, which are the same molecules that form the outer membrane of human cells. This unique structure allows liposomes to carry both water-soluble and fat-soluble nutrients within their protective layers. Because of their biocompatibility, liposomes can safely navigate the harsh environment of the digestive system, preventing premature breakdown of sensitive compounds like vitamins, antioxidants, and herbal extracts. Originally developed for medical drug delivery, liposomal technology has now been adapted to the food and nutraceutical industry, where it solves a common challenge: poor bioavailability. Many nutrients, such as vitamin C, vitamin B12, curcumin, and glutathione, are notoriously difficult for the body to absorb efficiently when taken in their conventional forms. They are often degraded by stomach acid or poorly absorbed through the intestinal lining, leading to limited health benefits despite supplementation. By encapsulating these nutrients inside liposomes, food supplements can protect them from digestive acids and enzymes, allowing them to reach the small intestine largely intact. At this stage, the liposomes fuse with the membranes of intestinal cells, facilitating the direct delivery of their nutrient payload into the bloodstream. This mechanism significantly increases the bioavailability of the nutrients, meaning the body receives a much higher effective dose compared to standard supplements. The advantages of liposomal supplements extend beyond improved absorption. They also help stabilize fragile compounds, shielding them from oxidation and degradation caused by exposure to light, heat, or air. This increased stability results in longer shelf life and better preservation of the nutrients' potency throughout storage. For consumers, this means greater reliability and effectiveness from the supplements they take daily. Another important benefit is the ability to customize the release of nutrients in targeted regions of the digestive tract. Advanced liposomal formulations can be designed to release their contents slowly or in specific areas, optimizing how and when nutrients are absorbed. This targeted delivery not only improves efficacy, but also reduces the risk of gastrointestinal irritation, a common side effect associated with high doses of some vitamins and minerals. Liposomal supplements are available in a variety of consumer-friendly forms, including liquids, soft gels, powders, and even fortified beverages. This versatility allows manufacturers to cater to different preferences and lifestyles. For example, liquid liposomal vitamin C can be easily mixed into water or juice for quick absorption, while liposomal omega-3 soft gels offer a convenient way to obtain essential fatty acids with enhanced bioavailability. Today, the market for liposomal supplements includes a wide range of ingredients. Popular formulations include vitamins such as C, D3, and B12, minerals like magnesium and zinc, herbal extracts including turmeric and milk thistle, as well as antioxidants, amino acids, probiotics, and collagen peptides. These products appeal to a diverse audience, from athletes and busy professionals to older adults and those with specific nutritional needs. Despite the many benefits, producing high-quality food-grade liposomal supplements is a complex process. It requires specialized equipment and expertise to achieve optimal encapsulation efficiency, particle size uniformity, and product stability. Encapsulation efficiency refers to the percentage of active nutrients successfully enclosed within the liposomes, which directly affects how much of the ingredient can be delivered effectively. Manufacturing techniques such as high-pressure homogenization, microfluidization, and ultrasonication are commonly employed to produce liposomal suspensions with controlled size and consistency. Maintaining uniform particle size is critical since it influences absorption rates and shelf stability. Additionally, sourcing high-purity food-grade phospholipids, usually derived from soy or sunflower lecithin, is essential to meet safety and regulatory standards worldwide. Advanced drying methods like freeze drying or spray drying can transform liquid liposomal products into powders or granules, expanding their application possibilities. These dried forms can be incorporated into capsules, tablets, or even functional food products without compromising the integrity of the liposomes. Research into liposomal technology continues to advance rapidly. Scientists are developing multi-layered liposomes, stimuli-responsive vesicles that release nutrients in response to environmental triggers, and co-delivery systems capable of transporting multiple nutrients simultaneously. Such innovations promise even more efficient, targeted, and personalized nutritional therapies in the near future. Consumer demand for natural, clean-label, and effective supplements is driving the growth of liposomal products worldwide. As more people recognize the superior absorption and benefits of liposomal supplements, manufacturers are investing heavily in this technology to create next-generation functional foods and nutraceuticals. In conclusion, food liposomal supplements represent a significant breakthrough in nutritional science. By leveraging the body's natural absorption pathways and protecting delicate nutrients, liposomal delivery systems greatly improve the effectiveness of vitamins, minerals, and bioactive compounds. This results in better health outcomes, greater convenience, and a new level of confidence in dietary supplementation. As research progresses and manufacturing techniques evolve, liposomal supplements are poised to become a staple in the daily nutrition routines of millions. They embody the future of personalized, efficient, and science-backed nutrition, helping people everywhere achieve their wellness goals with greater ease. Thank you for joining us in this detailed look at food liposomal supplements. We hope this insight empowers you to make informed decisions about your health and nutrition.